Dear students, now we are going to solve a question in rotational motion. The question is given: mass of solid cylinder, pulley is 2 meter, the radius is r and the string is massless. There is no slipping between pulley and the string, then acceleration of 3m mass will be. Here important point is that the pulley has mass. So if we draw the free body diagram of the system, the force acting on 3m are 3 mg in the downward direction and the tension T1 is in the upward direction. For mass m, mg is in the downward direction and T2 is in the upward direction. If 3m has an acceleration in the downward direction, the mass m has an acceleration a in the upward direction. The accelerations are equal in magnitude because string is inextensible. But here tension on the string on both sides of the strings are different because as the masses accelerates, the pulley rotates and a pulley requires torque for rotational motion. If T1 and T2 are equal, torque about the center of mass of the cylinder is 0. Therefore, it cannot rotate. Therefore, here T1 not equal to T2. If from equation of motion of mass 3m, 3mg minus T1 is a resultant force on it. Therefore, 3mg minus T1 is equal to 3m into A. This can be taken as equation 1. For mass m, net force T2 minus mg is equal to m into A. This is equation 2. If we add these two equations, 1 plus 2 gives 3mg minus mg 2mg plus T2 minus T1 is equal to 3ma plus ma 4ma. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to 4ma minus 2mg. Difference in tension in terms of acceleration is got. Then for motion of pulley, which has only rotational motion, T1 is acting tangentially downward to the right of the pulley and tension T2 is tangentially at the left side of the pulley. Therefore, the torque experienced by the pulley is the difference in torque produced by T1 and T2, because torque produced by T1 is in clockwise direction and that of T2 is in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, resultant torque tau is equal to T1R minus T2R. I think you know torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Here tensions are acting tangentially. Therefore, radius is the perpendicular distance. Because tau is equal to I into alpha. Here for solid cylinder I is mr square by 2. But mass is 2m. So 2m r square by 2 alpha is equal to T1 minus T2 into r. Cancel from both sides. Then it is given that there is no slipping between pulley and the string. For no slipping, the tangential acceleration at the surface of the pulley and the acceleration of the strings must be equal. We have tangential acceleration r alpha, which is equal to a. So alpha is equal to a by r. So it is clear that as the masses accelerates, pulley has angular acceleration. To produce angular acceleration, torque is required. Therefore, T1 and T2 must be different. Okay. On substituting alpha, mr into a by r is equal to T1 minus T2 from this equation. 2 mg minus 4 ma. M will cancel, R will cancel. Therefore, minus 4a becomes plus 4a. Plus 4a plus f5a is equal to 2g, or a is equal to 2g by 5. This is the acceleration of the masses. Okay, here important thing is that tension on both sides of the strings are not equal. If mass of the pulley is 0, then torque is torque is 0. Therefore, T1 is equal to T2. That is a difference in the two situations. Okay, you got, I think you got the solution and the idea. Thank you.